Good day and welcome to This Week at Twim. My name is Eniola Dekuli and with me is
Princess Innocent.
Student forced to sell houses due to lack of funds.
Concussion and super recipes. Watch as summer school students battle in the best food challenge.
Under the rock, summer school students take a fun trip to Abeokuta.
Students forced to sell houses due to lack of funds. A group of summer school students were forced to sell their houses and other properties to pay their creditors. In case you were wondering about this, it took place over a game of Monopoly. Our correspondents, Ebosele Faith, bring us more.
According to Ms. Moremi Adeleye, registrar at Twim Institute, the game of Monopoly teaches three essential skills in business: how to negotiate, the art of calculations, and how to think. These skills were displayed as summer school students contested keenly to outwit each other at a game of Monopoly on Monday. The game was eventually won by Ms. Dorcas Oni after she disposed other contestants of all their properties and funds.
And still on battles, it was a battle of noses and taste buds as summer school students proudly openly display their culinary skills. For more on this, Benjamin Heragbe brings us additional reporting.
Members of Group 1 prepared jollof rice spiced with egg using a local variety of rice. Group 2 also prepared jollof rice, however they garnished theirs with carrots, green beans and green pepper, aiming for a finished product of jollof rice with a field of fried rice. Group 3 settled for a pizza-looking concoction of plantains and eggs smashed together and fried, resulting in an exalted finish. Corn crackers and fried rice were prepared by the members of Group 4, who generously chose to serve everyone. At the end of the contest, the winning group was Group 2.
And still from Twim Institute Summer School, it was a time of shouting, singing, climbing and loads of fun as students visited the city of Abeokuta to explore Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library and Olumorok. Our correspondent Faith Ebosole brings you more.
On Thursday, summer school students visited Olusegun Obasanjo Library, where they saw the gigantic library complex, the amusement park, wildlife park, green legacy hotels, and lakes. From there, they explored Olumorok, where they climbed the 137 meters to reach its peak. It was scary, tiring, and rough, but it was definitely loads of fun and adventure.
And that brings us to the end of this edition of This Week at Twim. Do subscribe to this channel, leave a like and comment, and stay tuned for more. Once again, I am Eniola Dekuli.
And I'm Princess Innocent.
Bye.